Hey there guys, I'm going to be doing another quick look at my assignment today. This is just another really quick glance over it. I've not, I've changed, well the core of it's still the same. However, I've worked a little bit on expanding uh, usability because before really had to know you really had to know the pattern before you got there for it to what's the word I'm looking for? To be able to get through the puzzle. If this would hurry up and launch, I can show you that. So yeah, I went about adding the, like I mentioned, the panels changing colour, the red, green, yellow and blue panels. I've sorted that out, and I've also added sound to it. So sound was just a case of getting a simple tone, adjusting it and having 4 different pitches of the same tone. So a deep, less deep, higher pitch and higher pitch. Yeah, so I'm just going to dash over here and see if I can see whether it's loading on the other screen maybe. Um, but I'm not seeing it, sadly. Can't even launch Unreal right. Oh, there it is. There we go. Sorry. I was looking over there. Yes, I've quickly talked through that. Wait for this thing to load through. So yeah, basically I made the game actually playable by someone that's not the programmer, not me. Basically, you could come into this and know what happens. So I'll quickly demonstrate it to begin with, and then I will. What's the word I'm looking for? And then I'll go into the code bit or the blueprint rather, and show you what's going on with that. So this should load any second. There we go. Okay. Now I don't know if you'll be able to hear these tones, but I've got my beeps here. Let's see if we can play this. So those are the 4 tones. So let's see, this has got this outer box on it now here. So basically the game begins when you enter this box. So if we drop down here and enter, we can play the game. So there you go, it's finished. It flashes all the colours up, and you've won. So I'll quickly delve into this. This is a really quick video. What I want to do is something I've not tried before. Now, as you can see by this blueprint, this was hella complicated to create, and as such, doing a tutorial is not out of the question, but it's not something I want to do. What I want to do is, the problem with this is that it's very linear. As you can see here, it's set in stone that right comes first, and then left, and then center left. And that leaves absolutely no variation. So when you come back to replay this game, it's going to be the same puzzle as you did the first time. So what I want to do is a live stream of me creating one that's totally random, working through the challenges and figuring that out. And then if anyone wants to create a Simon that's random, they can watch through the live stream and watch me figure it out, and watch me learn and create, as well as getting the tutorial. Because I mean, it's fine handing everyone something on a plate with a tutorial, but you do learn, but at the same time, you know, it's good if you can kind of watch me make mistakes and make the same mistakes yourself and learn from them. So I'll be doing a live stream of that. But yeah, just take over the changes here. We've got when E is pressed, it does this branch thing that you saw before. Now it goes through a can input branch there. Sorry, through a sequence and then a can input branch. And the sequence is as it was before, with the reset up there this time, and this at the end. So what this play function essentially does, I have a lot of custom events in this. So this play is actually up here. There she is. So when play is called, if depending on which box they're in, it will play the appropriate tone and turn the appropriate light on and then off after a second. The tone lasts a second, so starts playing the tone, turns the light on, waits a second, the tone's about to finish, turns the light off. So that happens up there when play function is called. The restart the minigame has been extended now. It basically... Sorry, the restart is... So when you get it wrong, I'll go and show you that. When you get it wrong, the lights flash red. So we'll go and get it wrong. Let's just run in here. So I'm going to press this one, and it's wrong. So they flash red, and it restarts, and then from the beginning. And I got it wrong, so they flash red, and it tries again. So yeah, that was that, creating a kind of flashing red, you've fucked up kind of button. What to do when you've won? Basically turn the lights off, flash them for a little while. The flashing is done via a tick here. Basically every 0.2 seconds toggle the visibility of the blue light and its children, and if you look in the components, every light is a child of the blue light, so basically just turns it off and propagates it down to the children. This here is this, and that, where did I link that in? Red, now where did I link that in? I know that's in there somewhere. Yeah, I'm not too sure where I put that. So yeah, I've forgotten what this bit does. This is basically plays the tone and toggles the lights on when you press the button. But I can't for the life of me find where blue was called. Here. So okay, this bit I'll quickly explain this bit, but then I'll leave the rest to do another tutorial. This bit here is telling you what to do in stage 1. So what to do is called up here when you first enter the overlap. First entry will be called and what to do will be triggered, calling this with stage 1 activated as true. So it'll call yellow, and then yellow blue, and then yellow blue green. In fact, that's it. Those are the custom events that I was on about for these guys. So yeah, that's it for this video, but I will be making or doing a live stream rather, of me creating a completely random version of Simon. If you want to do that, hit subscribe, like the video, leave a comment on what you think, and I'll get around to... I usually reply to most comments, so if you've got something you'd like to see, just leave it in the comment box. I'll reply to you and hopefully get on with that. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.